Hey, Clayton here, and I'm one of Australia's only registered and authenticated Shopify experts. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify out of your footer. I also have a little ninja hack that I would like to talk about if you're interested in learning. So let's get into it. So in the footer of your website, it says Powered by Shopify. Now, on this website, we haven't fully built it out yet because we're making training videos as we go. So if you want to learn about Shopify, subscribe and be notified when we film these videos. So basically, where it says Powered by Shopify, you just copy this text and then you go back to Shopify here. You click Online Store and then Themes. And then over on your template, it has these little dots here. You click there, you click Edit Default Theme Content. If you're on an older website, it might say Edit Theme Language or Edit Language. I can't remember what it used to say. And if it's in the future, it might say something different, but it's something along those lines. When you click into it, it should look something like this, where it's got a search bar, all different categories and stuff here. You just paste in Powered by Shopify here. And then see how it says links Powered by Shopify. You click here, press space, and then press save, and it's going to be completely gone. So down here, it's now gone away from your website. Now, what I've been thinking about a lot lately is, why do you want to remove Powered by Shopify? Now, a lot of people might say, because I don't want my competitors to know I'm on Shopify. It looks annoying, things like that. The thing is, there's so many programs out there now that can actually detect what platform you're on. There's heaps of different ways to find out what platform you're using. If your competition comes to your website and they try to find out exactly what you do, why not use that as your advantage? Because what you can actually do is actually come to Shopify, join up to their affiliate program, and actually put a link. So when someone clicks Powered by Shopify in your footer, you actually get a commission. Excuse me. So basically, if you added a link here where it has your affiliate link, and when they click it, sign up to Shopify, you actually get paid. Now, I'm not sure if a lot of people are interested in that. I've done it on my website personally. If you're interested in that, let me know, and I'll make a video on how to actually update that link. Until next time, thanks for watching the video, and follow along because I'm making heaps of tutorials on how to do everything on Shopify. I'm going to teach you like some of the crazy results some of my clients have got and actually explain how they got them. So one really cool one is that one of my clients actually made $100,000 the first day they ever launched their business. And I can teach you how they did that. If you're interested, let me know in the comment, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye.